Hey, I'm Diego. Welcome to the DJ Video Lab. Here on the channel, I help DJs learn how to film, edit, and share their sets online. Today I'm showing you how I set up and went live on YouTube in under 10 minutes using my iPhone, a tripod, and an iRig stream. So here's all that I used. My iPhone, streaming directly through the YouTube app, a sturdy tripod with a phone clamp, the iRig stream audio interface to send a clean mix from my DJ setup straight into the phone, and a simple RCA cable from my mixer to the iRig. That's it, portable, affordable, and ready to stream. So step one is to set up the tripod where you want the shot. I placed mine just far enough back so you can see the kitchen counter where I'm mixing, with the living room in the background for some depth. Since YouTube Live on mobile is vertical by default, I mounted my phone in portrait mode. It's perfect for viewers watching on their phones, and it keeps the chat and stream interface exactly where it should be. Next, I ran my RCA cable from the mixer's output into the iRig stream's input, and then I connected the iRig directly to my phone. The iRig comes with all the cables you need, so whether your phone has Lightning or USB-C, you're covered. Then I framed up the shot, making sure the controller, my hands, and a bit of the background were all in view. This way the viewer feels like they're right there in the living room with me. From here, it's as simple as opening the YouTube app, tapping Go Live, and setting your title and description. You can add a quick thumbnail by snapping a photo or uploading one from your phone, but I skipped this step and I just went for the live stream. When the countdown starts, all that's left is to hit play on the decks and let the music do the talking. When that timer hits 0, you're live. For this test, I went live right from my kitchen counter, and within seconds people were tuning in. The whole setup took less than 10 minutes from start to streaming, and it ran just fine. This setup, I think, works anywhere. Could be at home or while you're traveling, or you could at a restaurant or a pop-up. As long as you got Wi-Fi or solid mobile data, I think this will work. No bulky cameras, no SD cards, no editing. Just the phone doing all the work. So if you've been putting off live streaming because it feels too technical, you can try this approach. It's simple, fast, and gets you playing to possibly a global audience in minutes. If you enjoyed this and want to learn more about filming and editing DJ videos, check out the other tutorials on my channel. You'll find step-by-step guides, gear tips, and editing tricks to make your sets look and sound amazing. Thanks for watching. This is the DJ Video Lab, where DJs learn how to make unique and better videos. See you in the next one.
'Cause I just can't stay here. Stop.